Okay, our last purchases. We are here still in Lincoln City, about to leave. We stopped at the Human Bean. Olivia got some ice cream with just a hint of coffee. Silliness. And I got a caramel hazelnut mocha, and all of their drinks come with a little chocolate coated bean, and the price is incredibly reasonable. We paid $12 for these two drinks, which there's no way you're getting that good of a deal at like Starbucks, you know? The girl was super friendly, the barista, and I'm very pleased. It was quick, we got through there. Now, if this tastes good, I gotta recommend this place. Let's see. I've never had a chocolate covered bean. Oh, it's good. Yeah. Go ahead. Oh, that's so yummy. Yeah, the Human Bean. It's not just in Lincoln City. It's, I mean, we saw it in Portland. We saw it other places. I'm gonna have to wait a few minutes. I don't want to jump right in while it's still really hot, but don't worry, I'll bring you along. Okay, so I think it's been long enough. We're gonna give this stuff a try as we cruise through the woods. Not only is it a better price than Starbucks, I can't talk much. I'm driving, guys. I'm just, oh my God. Oh, it's so good. I also asked them to add a shot of blonde espresso just to give me a good pick-me-up. We've got almost a 2-hour drive. Oh no. And I have them put whipped cream, which I can't see it, but I taste it. It's in there. The Human Bean. Check it out.